Okay, what is going on, guys? This is a 2006 BMW 330i. This is an n52 engine. Been having mad issues with it. I just replaced the ignition coils, spark plugs, the solenoids, and I'm still just having this issue. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Hope you guys can hear what it sounds like. And then by my next video, I'm hoping I can, give you guys a reason that I solved it, or maybe you guys can let me know in the comments like how you guys solved it, if you guys ever had this issue on an n52. But this is how it sounds when I start it, and it's giving me misfire reads, even though I know it's not a misfire. I just replaced the spark plugs and ignition coils. I haven't replaced my fuel injectors yet, but that's hopefully maybe the next thing, or maybe a fuel pump back here. But yeah, this is how it sounds. Sounds really bad. My car is all salty again now. It's winter time. Maybe the cold's not helping it either. I just replaced all 6 wheels. Let me shut my car off before it runs. But that's replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way back there. Spark plugs as well, and the solenoids right here. Still no change in rough idle. I have no idea what the problem is. I'm gonna get it more diagnosed today, and I'll make a second video hopefully if I get it fixed by then. Thank you, boys.